Hey everyone, Rick here, Big Gun 81. Hope you're doing well today as always. So you may have seen this next item I want to show you all in some of my videos from SSP Eyewear. This is the Methow kit. It comes with not just your regular standard shooting glasses, but a whole assortment to cover you in all your shooting disciplines and for all your different outdoor activities, which is pretty cool. In fact, I've actually worn them out jet skiing before, and they come with this little nice handy little strap that you can put on them that's stretchy and whatnot to help keep them on if you're out jet skiing or boating or just don't want to lose them someplace. And of course it's got all the different tint lenses and things, which we'll kind of go over that in just a moment. But really nice set. Check them out, SSPeyewear.com, of course. And let's take a look at the different lenses here. Okay, so I've got the clear lenses on now. This is one of my standard go-tos when it's overcast, it's raining out, low light type conditions, things like that. And if you wear prescription glasses, they offer a prescription kit for these frames as well. And it's pretty easy to change the lenses out, by the way. So I've got like the black nose piece here, and they also have a clear one too, which they're adjustable. They got little metal inserts in them you kind of bend and whatnot to shape to fit you. It's pretty easy to change them out. So you can take the nose piece off, just kind of push downward, like towards the bottom of the lens, and it just slides right out. It's got a little groove that you'll kind of line up, and it clicks right back in place. And so to take the lens off, you just kind of have to basically pop the frame. If I can grab it, I'm trying to look at the camera, but you kind of push down on it. When you push down on it, it kind of pops right out of the frame. It's really easy. So I usually, most of the time though, when it's like sunny out, I'm usually rocking these Kiwi bronze lenses. And I should show you on camera. I'm kind of holding it down. Basically, you kind of have to get it lined up in the corners, somewhat there, and then you kind of lift the front of the frame over it so it's lined up in the groove of the frame. The lens is lined up in the groove, and you just kind of push it down. And if I could do it one-handed, while looking at the screen, which evidently I can't. So basically, you get it all lined up, and you just kind of click into place. Pretty simple. And then the nose piece, again, you just go ahead and kind of slide the lens into the groove of the nose piece, and you push it in there, and it clicks right in. So simple as that. One thing I didn't notice, or I noticed it didn't have, was like any type of adjustment on the length of the earpieces. I don't know what the correct terminology is for that. Can't think of it, but I call them earpiece, whatever part that goes over your ear. There's no adjustment for the length of it, but they're pretty comfortable. They give you pretty good field of vision. If you wear the black one nose piece, you see a little bit of the outline of it. For me, I see like a little bit of the frame at the top, but there's nothing on the sides that's going to block my field of vision, which is nice. I do notice when I'm riding, and again, everybody's face is shaped a little differently, but when I'm riding my jet ski in the water or ATVs or whatever, I get like wind that comes up underneath my eyes here a little bit, kind of blows into it. It's one thing I didn't really like a whole lot, but as far as the usefulness and the vision, being able to see everything, they work great. They're also for safety specs. They're Z87.1 certified, which is for like impact and things like that. You get something flying at your face, helps prevent you from getting hurt, which is good. It's definitely the whole idea behind wearing shooting glasses and wearing these outdoors and doing different outdoor activities. As I mentioned, there's other lenses. They've all got different individual specs. I haven't gotten to really use them all, but they're all designed with different types of light intensity and different conditions. Some will kind of brighten up different things, but you've got those orange ones. You've got purple, and actually I think this is purple, and this is the grapefruit. They're very, very close. Like one's just a little darker than the other. I'm not 100% certain the difference there as far as with the color, what they call it. And then you got the yellow or lemon colored ones as well. And they've got all the specs on their website you can kind of look at, but ultimately it kind of comes down to trial and error and seeing what works best for you. Everyone sees a little differently than everyone else. Some people might see different colors a little differently and whatnot, so you just kind of have to play around with it, which is one of the nice things about this kit. You have options. You have all those different options of lenses. I'm going to grab this box right here. And of course, you know, you saw it earlier, but the this case, which I'm going to put all these lenses back into because it's nice to keep everything kind of organized in this case, it works great. I like this setup and the fact that you can kind of keep everything all together. Comes in its own carrying case to take with you to the range, and just protects the whole setup. So it's pretty cool. And I think I may have mentioned this earlier, but again, if I didn't, you got the nice little strap that goes around the earpieces to keep this on your head. So if you're out doing some stuff like jet skiing, boating, ATVing, whatever, anything where these things can come flying off your head, these will keep them on, you know. Not that they would, because they're a pretty good fit, at least for me. But when you're out riding and doing stuff, you know, you get flipped off in the water, they can come falling off, and you don't want to lose them forever. So, kind of just threw them all back in there. But again, the kit's pretty neat. I saw on the website, it looks like they had a spot for the nose pieces on even on the newer ones that are out now. But it's basically the same kit. So, pretty cool. Anyway, check them out, SSPeyewear.com. Until next time, have fun shooting.